Do you want to know how to enable dark mode on Instagram? Here's how to do it. For this to work, first you need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. For that, simply open up your App Store, or if you have an Android, the Play Store. Search Instagram, and if it shows open, like on this page, it means that your Instagram is updated. If it shows an update, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated and you will need to update it in order to enable new features such as dark mode. Now, open up your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture, which is in the lower right corner. It will take you to your profile page. Then from here, you're going to tap on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Then you will tap on Settings. Then scroll all the way down and select Theme. Now you will see three options: Light, Dark, and System Default. Select the Dark option, and this will enable dark mode on your Instagram. And that's how to enable dark mode on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out. Peace!